In a nutshell, an El Niño occurs when the surface waters of the Pacific Ocean around the equator warm about 1 degree Fahrenheit above average for at least 3 months. The opposite is La Niña, when cooling occurs. But let's focus on what's coming this year. NOAA scientists believe we could be in for a particularly strong El Niño, maybe even a Super El Niño, in which the waters of the Pacific warm to more than about 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit above average. Model forecasts show a range of possibilities, from near-record warmth to weaker events. When you average all of them together, you get what NOAA thinks is most likely to happen, which is about 3.2 degrees of warming, or just below the threshold for a true Super El Niño. Regardless, likely a strong one, and something that will impact global climate patterns. Many of the biggest impacts will be felt over the winter, when El Niño is strongest. Strong El Niños are particularly notorious for producing excessive flooding in the southwest and southeast U.S., sometimes drought in parts of the Midwest. Its impacts here during the winter are comparatively lower, but does increase the odds for warmer winter temperatures. In the fall, one of the benefits of strong El Niños is there are generally fewer hurricanes. Of course, as they say, it only takes one to have big problems. As the El Niño slowly develops this summer, we may notice a few things locally. There does seem to be a tendency towards slightly cooler summers for us. Average summer temperatures in our area were near or cooler than average the summers leading up to all 3 Super El Niños since 1950, and 3 of the 6 strong El Niño events. And there is a clear tendency towards wetter than average summers. In other parts of the world, a strong El Niño event dramatically increases the odds for excessive drought during the summer, in some cases, and excessive rain in others. But on a longer time scale, El Niño also acts as a boost to global warming. Climate scientists have noted significant increases in global temperatures immediately following strong El Niños in particular. And while in the past, the cooler La Niña that inevitably follows at some point would usually help bring global temperatures back in check, because of the dramatic influx of greenhouse gases of the last century, the overall upward trend in global temperatures will continue. So, look, bottom line, El Niños affect other parts of the world as well. Usually they're much greater effects in other parts of the world, but it does accelerate global temperatures for all of us, the entire globe going forward. Even when the waters in the Pacific eventually cool during La Niña, because it's basically 2 steps forward, 1 step back when you have already an Earth that is warming up.